Hello, welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about collapse element in Bootstrap. So, collapse element in Bootstrap allows you to collapse one header, uh, while the other one is, still with those text, and you can, toggle it on and off and go through the text. So that's the collapse element. I'm gonna create, as you see, I have the container tag, and inside this, I'm gonna create a div of class panel group. And ID, I'm going to give it accordion. Now what is accordion? Accordion, you may have known, if you have known the HTML and JavaScript and all. Accordion is a collection of elements, consists of several other elements, which consist of header and body. So you can expand the one element while the other ones collapse. So that's the accordion. I'm going to give the idea of accordion. Inside this, I'm going to close this, and inside this I'm going to create another div with a class of panel and panel default, and inside this I'm going to create a div of class of panel heading. And inside my heading, first of all, I'm going to create a h4 heading with a class of panel title. And inside the h4 I'm going to create a anchor tag with a reference of I'm going to give it a reference of collapse 1, and data toggle is collapse, and data parent equals accordion. So data toggle, this allows you to collapse the whatever panel with this ID you are collapsing, and this is the parent, the accordion. This is the ID, and as for the heading, I'm gonna add collapsible panel 1, and I'm gonna close the anchor tag. So this is it. This is the heading, and now I'm gonna create my panel body. So as you can see, this is the heading. After this, I'm gonna create another div, and with a class of I'm gonna ID with an ID of this one, collapse 1. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna add a class of panel collapse in. So this is the first panel, and inside this I'm gonna create another div for panel body. This is the class, and inside this I'm gonna add some text. So I'm gonna go to lorem ipsum and copy this little text, paste it right here, save this, and now I'm gonna copy this from panel default to right here, Control C. So as you can see, now we have 3 panels. First one is right here, second one is this one. I'm gonna change this, change the ID to, and this one, collapse panel 3, and this one is 2. And you have to remove this in element. In element only comes in the first panel, first collapsed panel. So I'm going to save this preview in the browser, and as you can see, this is the panel. You can use it, you can collapse them whatever you want. This is the link, and you can also change the color of these panels. For example, I'm going to make this one info, and the second one will be warning, and the third one will be success. Save this. As you can see, this one is info, this one is warning, and this one is success. So that's it for the collapsible panel. In the next video, I'm going to talk about carousels. Carousels are also called as image sliders. Those images which automatically slides on a regular time interval. and they keep on sliding, or you can use the arrow to slide through the images on portfolio websites mainly. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.